The book I'm reading is called Rich Dad Poor Dad. It's about finances and making money work for you instead of working for money. The author is Robert Kiyosaki. Robert, I'm calling him Robert because we're friends now. He had a best friend, and his best friend's dad was like a father figure to him. Although his parent, his biological father, he was a great role model too. He taught him, he helped him with his studies and whatnot. He didn't understand how to keep money, he maintain money. Whereas his best friend's father, his rich dad, he knew like how to make money work for him. He had ways to get around the systems, so he was financially intelligent. Whereas his biological dad, he was just intelligent. School does not teach financial management. It even says it in the book. It says school will prep you for society to learn about how to be an engineer, a medic, a lawyer, accountant. They won't teach you how to make money work for you. An asset is something that makes money for you, and a liability is something that takes money away from you. Rich people acquire assets, whereas poor people and middle class people acquire liabilities that they believe are assets, meaning to buy a house or making it look as good as like posh as you can, well done. But it's just taking money out of your account, you're not gaining any profit. It talks about how rich people and poor people, they're alike, they're just working for money. Where you can have a middle class person who's not working for money, and he could be rich because he has money. Whereas you could have a rich person, he has millions, but he has debt too, so he can die broke. And a poor person, he can die broke too. Just work. There's different levels to it. You can be rich, but you're still working for money. You can be poor, but you're working for money. And you can be rich where money is working for you. In the book, it talks about a scene where Robert is a kid with his best friend Mike, and his dad, his rich dad, is trying to tempt him and make his emotions go for him. So he would be earning around 30 cents out, like every weekend or something like that. And the rich dad was upping the price and saying, "I'd pay you $1." He said, "Alright, if you won't go for that, I'll pay you $2. Alright, not even that, I'll pay you $5." And $5 is what adults would be getting. And bear in mind, he's like 9 years old. But because he was already learning to look at the long-term part, at the whole picture, instead of looking at the short term, like you get the money $5 that week, you get it next week. So he said no. Another quote, it says, so many people say, "Oh, I'm not interested in the money. I do this because I love my job," but they'll work 8 to 12 hours a day for the money. The book, it encourages you to start your own business, or even if you work for someone and you progress your way to owning the business. If that happens sometimes, right? Yeah, taking over. The book helps you to think and put your ideas in motion, but really and truly, it still comes down to yourself. If you're just sitting down wasting your time every day, you're studying and going to sleep, watching YouTube, doing whatever and going to sleep, you're not putting any ideas on paper or anything like that, and you're just wasting time. Like, the book will make you want to put your ideas in motion, but that comes down to you. 1 Timothy 6:10, money is not the root of all evil, but the love of money is the root of all evil. Luke 12:34, for where your treasure is, your heart will be also. I would recommend it. Most of my friends have, and they've gone into business as well. They're around my age, around 15, 16. And they've gone to, some of them making clothing lines, some of them reselling shoes, it's finding ways to make money. It's quite inspirational, and they explain it in a kid's point of view, where like and an adult's point of view. And they'll explain it in pictures as well, like of what your bank statement or your income statement should look like, how a rich person's statement would look, how a middle class person's statement would look, how a poor person's statement would look, and so on. Like and subscribe if you want to see more content. I don't even know what I look like right now.